In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to show what game you're playing on Discord Mobile. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. First, open the Discord Mobile app. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, to access your settings, tap the gear icon at the top right of your profile page. Now that you're on the settings page, look for Privacy and Safety. Scroll down until you find the option called Share your detected activities with others. This is important for letting your friends know what games you're playing, so make sure to toggle that switch on. Once it's enabled, Discord will automatically detect the games you're playing and share that info with your friends. If your game isn't showing up automatically, or if you want to create a custom status, don't worry. Go back to your profile page and tap on Add Status. Here you can type in the exact game you're playing or any custom message you'd like. You can also adjust how long you want this status to be visible. Once you've set everything just the way you want it, tap the Save button at the top right. And there you have it. Now your friends can see when you're playing a game and can join in or chat about it. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.